So today I'm going to unboxing the 4-stage knife sharpener. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging, and apparently you can sharpen different kinds of knives and even scissors. So we're gonna go and test it out. Let's unbox this. And when you bring it out of the container, it comes packaged like this, with a manual, a user manual for you. So this is what it looks like right outside of the package. It's stainless steel, which I absolutely love because most of my gadgets are stainless steel. It's for different knife lengths are there. So what we're gonna do is, it doesn't have a switch, so it's manual. You can see it has the number 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. This is my blunt test knife. This is the one that I really need to sharpen a lot because you can see it's very blunt. And even cutting an apple, it takes like a while. It doesn't cut, like I have to really grind it in. So I'm going to sharpen this knife. So you want to hold it firm on this side, and you're gonna put your knife and you're gonna move it forward towards you like this. So hold it one direction, okay, and it's quite sharp. So compared to how I was cutting the apple before, if you see it, you guys see how it just quickly cuts it very easily, and I'm not struggling with the apple. So it cuts it quite easily compared to the other way. You can also do the same thing for your scissors. So if you are using your scissors and you want to sharpen your scissors, you just take this and put it inside your scissors like this and move forward like that. And it sharpens the scissors. So this is a very good tool. It's very light. It's not heavy at all and very durable.